thank you. You guys have been all great. This is only my second time ever TAing. So this is really awesome too. You guys were all great. And I'm still learning how to be a better teacher and to up my game for you guys. So thank you guys for all being awesome and just kind of working with me, letting me get comfortable with you and stuff like that. So thank you for that. The best thing that I can tell you guys is if it's your first time, we have a few first timers in here, and a lot of it seems overwhelming. Don't give up. Stick to the basics. I think the first time when I saw Jim in North Dakota, the first 2 days I ever went to up there, the only thing I came away from that whole thing that completely blew my mind was the fact that you should lengthen short flexion type muscles and strengthen all the stuff in the back. That was the only thing I came with because everything else was way over my head. But it completely, that simple thing, that simple little mindset changed everything in how I thought. And it put me down the path that I was going. And then the second 2 day that I ever did with him was the joint capsule stuff. And then after the joint capsule stuff, it was like, all right, I'm just gonna go down and do a 5 day because I gotta put this all into perspective. And one thing I told a couple of you guys, the anatomy, the physiology, pathology is so important. And James does a great job of driving home how important it is. But that was one thing that made his course and other courses that I've done so much easier when they say, infraspinatus, you don't have to sit there and be like, okay, where is that at? What does it do? What innervates it and stuff like that. When you don't have to sit and really think hard, when you can just take it in stride in conversation and then just follow along with what they're saying, it helps so much. So that's one thing. Keep hitting your anatomy, physiology. I do it every day, and I try to use the terms every day, and I don't even dumb it down a lot for my clients because if I start talking in too lazy of terms, then they're going to start talking lazy terms, and then it reverberates back on me. So that's one of the biggest things I think that was a game changer for me. And the next thing, take the courses. Go take other courses from other people. Jim is great, and I will come back at least once a year to a 5 day and TA for him, anytime, at least once a year. But go and he kind of talked about it with that mastermind group with Benny Vaughn, how different people that are at the best at what they do, looking at things differently, it's invaluable, 100% invaluable, and something that I'll continue to do that as well. But Jim does the best, I think, at bringing it all together, little bits and pieces of the best parts. Henceforth, why I will always come back and TA for him whenever and wherever I can. So, that's all I got for you guys. Just thank you so much. This has been just a mind-blowing experience. I love teaching. I love helping people. I love making people better. I love seeing people that were where I was when I started and see me as I saw myself in their shoes, as somebody who was just starting and thought, man, I can't wait till I'm as good as that, or I can't wait till I can do that stuff and get those cool wow factor results. And now I'm at that point, but I want to keep getting better, and I want to do more, and I'm never going to stop trying to up my game. So thank you guys, and thank you for coming. The best thing you guys could do, especially in a time like this when money's tight, the economy's down, and you think you don't have the time or the money to come do this stuff, this is the best thing that you could possibly do. So thank you so much.
Thank you.